Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how you can fix the music pick add yours template if you are not able to get it or use it. So keep on watching. So the first step and the most simple one, it's just going to your Play Store and search for Instagram and make sure to update the app. I know that this step it's really obvious, but it will help the most of you. So in my case here, if you go to the Instagram app, as you can see, I have the update button. So if you too have it, make sure to click on that and update your app. If not, you can follow the next step. So for the second step, you will have to go to your phone settings, scroll down until you find apps. Then you can either scroll down until you find your Instagram app, or you can just click on this search icon from the right top corner and search for Instagram. Click on the app. Now scroll down and go to storage. From here you will have to clear the data and the cache from the bottom of the screen, or if you have an iPhone, you have to offload the app. And after that, you will have to log in once again into your app, because this step will log you out. After you've logged into your app once again, you can check if the template is available, and if not, you have to restart your phone. And then the third step, it's going to your Instagram app once again. Click on those three lines from the right top corner. Then click on Settings and Privacy, the first option. Scroll all the way down. And then click on Help. Then click on Report the problem. Then you can click on Go Back and Shake Phone. Then you can go to your story, you can go to stickers, and then you'll have to take a screenshot from here, and that is by shaking your screen just like this, and then click on Report Problem. Click on Include and Continue. And now we will have to briefly explain what happened and what's not working. So for that we will say, hello Instagram team, I don't have the Pick Music Add Yours template. Please fix this problem for me. And then you can add your email and your username. And then you will be contacted in maximum 72 hours. And now you can click on Send from the right top corner. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like it, you can subscribe to our channel, and you can also click on the notification bell so you can be notified once I will post another video like this one. Also, if you have any questions, I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.